Improve your SAP operations and enable your business to grow with IBM Workload Automation. IBM Workload Automation is tuned to provide the right level of visibility, control, and automation across your sophisticated SAP landscape. It is able to provide a single point of control to manage and monitor SAP and non-SAP applications, including governance of SAP environment practices, data integration with SAP Solution Manager, and other tools. The result is a comprehensive management system that significantly increases staff productivity, availability, and application performance across the IT environment. To understand the importance of workload automation for the SAP domain, we must go through the experience of a new user that has to create an SAP environment and take responsibility for it. First of all, the user must catch the repetitive actions and transform them into standard objects. So, there are SAP modules to be driven, such as warehouse, HR, or finance, repetition intervals and conditions to make the execution successful and that are known by the specialists, and parameters that vary each time, such as dates, business sectors, and products, and that must be inserted into the process. Putting the three elements together, the user will create jobs and job streams that describe how they come together. Having put them together as a model, this model must come into life. IBM Workload Automation will do this automatically according to the rules, but there will be exceptions initially to confirm and refine the model, and sometimes in the period after because of unplanned conditions, that is IT conditions like disks full, server down, or business conditions like input file not present or missing software update. This is the role of the monitoring part, which accelerates the duties of a user wanting to stay on top of numerous such processes. Once the system has stabilized, it requires little attention and frees up the user's time for other duties. The typical clients of an SAP environment like to submit workloads when it comes to their mind. This may cause performance degradation depending on the processing requirement of these workloads and of the other workloads in execution. Being able to impose some order at home is a very useful function, and job interception provides exactly that. It stops any unexpected job submission and puts it on hold in a special state. The stopped jobs will then be collected and distributed into the right containers, where they will execute in proper order and at the proper time. That is also an excellent way to teach the users that it is best to plan workloads and launch them through the official channel, rather than having them stopped and delayed. As the environment increases in size, a tool to collect information and sense the status of various parts is needed. IBM Workload Automation responds to this need with its workload event features. With such a sensing part, it is now possible to react to unplanned events, representing either workload to be processed, such as IDOCs, or threats to be addressed, such as CCMS events. Both can receive the correct response if they are detected on time and associated with the correct process. It will also allow to improve system efficiency and throughput, because by collecting reports and history, it is much easier to understand which process puts load on the system and in general how various applications behave, as a first step to design corrective action and make the system more robust or add performance where it needs it.